Well, it's pumpkin time here in my keto kitchen, so I have another pumpkin recipe for you. I know you're saying, oh, another pumpkin. Yes, this is a Keto Pumpkin Spice Creamer. You don't have to go to Starbucks. You don't have to go to any coffee shop. You can make it at home. Less sugar, actually no sugar, depending on what sweetener you use, or no sweetener at all. We're normally dairy-free, and last year I did a video on a dairy-free version of this, so I'll link to that. So I'm making a small amount because we don't have dairy very often. But the recipe is 16 ounces of heavy cream, 60 grams of pumpkin, which is about 1/4 cup, a teaspoon of vanilla, again, my homemade vanilla, which I love. 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I make my own. I'll link to the recipe. It's way better than store-bought. And the choices are, you can add sweetener now. If it's just for you and you know how sweet you like it, add your sweetener. I personally don't like a lot of sweeteners, so you can make it without the sweetener, and then everyone can add their own sweetener to their cup. I'm using French vanilla stevia, and I'm just going to add a couple of drops because I do not like it sweet. And then I have this it's like a blend jet. Oh, it is called blend jet. But it's like, there's a brand name like this. I got this, which was way cheaper than the brand name. Now you want to mix this up to everything to mix. Don't mix it too long or you're going to get whipped cream. That looks like it's whipped enough. Now I like drinking in fancy cups. So this is a cup that Carl got when he went to the Czech Republic one time to go to all the spas there. So I have my coffee made, and now I'm going to put in some of the creamer. Oh, this whipped up because this is thick. And now I'll taste my Keto Pumpkin Spice Creamer. It's great in tea as well. Oh, that is good. Enjoy. Better than Starbucks. Way better than Starbucks.